Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, power the Crusher Evo off, unplug every accessory, and make sure battery is above 20% to avoid interruption. Once done, press and hold power plus volume down for 10 seconds to force the unit into recovery mode. This is the deep entry, not a simple reboot. You do this because the firmware level reset clears corrupted settings that a soft restart cannot fix, so prepare your credentials and backups before continuing. Once in recovery, use the volume keys to move and the power button to select. This prevents accidental taps when touch is disabled. Choose Wipe Data/Factory Reset and confirm twice because this removes user data and restores factory defaults. It's necessary when settings or apps block startup. After confirmation, the device runs the wipe. Do not disconnect power or press buttons. You do this to ensure a clean boot, and it usually resolves. You finish by selecting Reboot System Now. The Crusher Evo will initialize as if new, which can take several minutes the first time. If it gets stuck in a boot loop, re-enter recovery and choose Wipe Cache Partition. This preserves data but clears temporary files that may block startup. If problems persist, jot down any error messages or codes and contact support or your vendor, because persistent failures often indicate corrupted firmware or hardware faults requiring professional service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.